Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson tube. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson won't turn on, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue often arises from a faulty button, which can be caused by wear and tear over time. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, making your vacuum unusable. To successfully replace the button, you'll need a few tools. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement button, and a pair of tweezers. To begin the repair, ensure your Dyson is unplugged for safety. Start by using the small Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the tube. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing of the Dyson tube. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Inside, locate the faulty button, which should be connected by a couple of cables. Carefully disconnect these cables. You might want to use the tweezers for precision. Once the cables are free, you can extract the old button from its housing. Take your new button and place it into the same slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables securely, making sure they are not pinched or damaged in the process. When reassembling, take care to align the casing properly before screwing it back in. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, before you finish, double-check that everything is secure and that the casing is clicked back into place. Plug in your Dyson and test the new button to ensure it operates smoothly. To prevent this issue from occurring again in the future, try to avoid excessive force when using the button and regularly clean the area around it to prevent dirt buildup. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.